This is super important for anybody who was in college and has student loans. Anybody out there, if your kids have student loans. I've been going over that stimulus package all weekend. You know, the one we're supposed to get $1,200 and they're doing business loans and all kinds of other things because of the economy right now. But in that, they're also doing something for student loans. So here's the good news for student loans. All payments have been suspended until September 30th with no penalty. So they're giving students a break, or people who are making payments on student loans a break. If you want more details about this package and the money and how to get the SBA loans and everything else like that, I'll be posting that on my YouTube channel. So you go to YouTube at Smart Money Cafe, because I can't put the full length of it on IG. But that's a heads up. Anyone you know with student loans, make sure you let them know. Payments are suspended till September 30th without penalty.